Hello friends and welcome to Commodity Markets Update. I am Jatin Trivedi, Senior Research Analyst with LKP Commodities and Currencies. So for this week, there is some crucial points which one needs to be taking care of before trading. As we have seen, gold and silver prices are, on a very weak note, and they are trading on a very lower end right now. And almost, the prices are trading near, oversold territories in all the time frames, including daily and all the daily below daily time frame charts as well. So now we can expect some bounces happening, but those bounces might not be sustainable bounces. So one needs to be very cautious while trading in gold and silver, especially on the shorter side. So I would recommend to do not go short at the lower levels. Wait for some bounces to happen in gold and silver prices. As far as the levels are concerned, I think 1800 level mark, 1800, 1810 level mark in the spot is a quite crucial level for gold right now. So if and all the prices do not sustain above this level, one can see some selling pressure happening again. So one should wait till the levels of around 1800 odd levels for gold to come at those levels, and then think of going short in gold prices. Compared to the MCX, wait for the levels of around 48,500 odd zones. Between 48,500 to 49,000 will be a good re-entry point for selling gold for this week. So with a stop loss of around above 49,000 in MCX, one can go short in gold on any rises. Same goes for silver prices as well. One can wait for the levels of around 60,500 to 61,000 odd levels for going short, with the stop loss above 62,000 on the higher side. It is not recommended to go short at the lower levels right now because it is trading on a very oversold zone territory. Now speaking about the base metal packs, it is totally inverse right now. The prices are quite overbought. I think some kind of correction is due, or we can say profit booking will come. We have seen some stellar rallies in all the base metals, copper, zinc, nickel, aluminum, lead. All the base metals have performed quite strongly due to the positive numbers from China. The good numbers of GDPs, and manufacturing data are coming positive. Consumption is good of base metals in China, but it is quite overbought right now, and some due correction is there in the markets. So one should wait for some good levels for re-entering on a positional basis in base metal for buying. One can go short, definitely one can go short on base metal prices with strict stop losses. Keeping a strict stop losses in is very vital right now. Keeping a stop loss about 226 227 for zinc prices if you are going short, and copper prices, a strong stop loss in copper prices will be at the levels of around 600 605 odd zones for positional basis, that is. And on the lower side, 575 to 580 looks quite of a supportive zone right now, but it can hold or it might not hold. We will have to review it again on the next week's video. Now moving on to the energy spec, I think natural gas prices are still bullish. Just like last week, I had recommended to buy natural gas prices, and it has given a good rally on the upside. So I would still recommend to go long and be long in natural gas prices with the stop loss of around 205 for the December contract. And on the rise, you can aim for the targets of around 235 to 240 for this week in natural gas prices. Crude is looking sideways till the time it is trading below 3400 and above 3200. It looks like it will be in this zone of around 32 to 3400 for this week. If in all prices do shoot up above 3400, we can see a strong rally towards the 3600 odd mark in crude as well. So this is about it from me, guys. Hope to catch you all next week again. Happy trading, be home and be safe.